struggling. They don't love me anyway. They don't love me anyway. Struggling. They don't love me anyway. They don't love me anyway. Struggling. They don't love me anyway. Don't get my feelings hurt. I know the feelings hurt. Don't get my feelings hurt. It's driving my feelings. Don't get my feelings hurt. Don't say I'm not the one. Don't get my feelings hurt. I'm a vibe out today. Hey, I'm a vibe out today. Alright, I'm a vibe out today. Oh, hey, I'm a vibe out today.
Doesn't matter what I do with my time. My boy's so pretty, could go on and on about it all night. My boy's so good to me, think I might just let him ruin my life. Why would I ever wanna wake up in the morning without him when I'm touring? It all just seems so boring. Why would I ever wanna do anything else? Let him be all by himself. I can't be all by myself. My boy's so pretty, so I could talk about it all night. My boy's so nice to me, doesn't matter what I do with my life. My boy's so pretty.
Morning guys, welcome to a productive day in my life. I've started off the day already. I've done my workout. I decided to try something a little bit different today. I wanted to do mat workout like Pilates, but I decided to just skip, and that is a really high intense workout that nobody talks about. I would try and be incorporating it more in my workout routine because I got a good sweat. I'm still like glowy with sweat right now, but we have a few things planned today, and I'm just going to tidy up, fix up something to eat. Then I also have an event to attend later on today, which we're going to do. That will be the last thing for the day, I hope. I'm meant to go grocery shopping. I don't know if I could do that today because also I'm going to be making my mom's hair. So we have a few things packed today, but this is going to be a productive day. I woke up a little bit late. I woke up by 8, which is so late for me, but because it's the weekend I wanted to sleep in a bit more. But so far so good, we're on the right track. I'll get to dust my room, just dust, sweep, mop and finish up with the cleaning. Then we can finally move on to starting our day, getting our meal done, and let's see how the day goes. But the last thing for today is the event. I should try and leave by 3 because I don't want the sun to be on me, so I think 3 should be okay to leave. The event ends by 6. That's 3 hours. I'm not sure yet, but when I'm done with everything we can figure out how we're going to do that. But welcome to a productive day in my life, and let's get straight into the event for today. So catch you guys later. Bye.
Doesn't matter what I do with my time. My boy's so pretty, could go on and on about it all night. Doesn't matter what I do with my life. My boy's so pretty, so go on and on about it all night. My boy's so good to me. Think I might just let him waste all my time. So
This is one of the best things, like living at home. You just wake up and you have food already. You don't have to think about what to make, and this is so amazing. My mom made white rice, plantain on the side, chicken stew. Like, I'm eating good. So I just finished cleaning up my room, tidied up, and it's looking like it's going to rain. Like, there's so many dark clouds out now, so it's going to be heavy. So after eating, I'll take a shower, then dress up. No, I have to make my mom's hair before I leave, so I'll make my mom's hair, then dress up and go for my event. So that's the agenda for today. So I'm going to finish my food and we can finally start.
What? You can also get a price check on a pair. I'm not getting a boob job.
my boy's so pretty, so I could talk about it all night. My boy's so nice to me. Doesn't matter what I do with my time. My boy's so pretty, could go on and on about it all night.
And I've been thinking about you a lot.
My boy's so good to me. Think I might just let him ruin my life. Why would I ever wanna wake up in the morning without
Now, just to make sure that you're not gonna,
so boring? Why would I
God knows how much I appreciated mine for a while. I
things? Let him be all by himself. I can't be all by myself. My boy's so pretty, so I could talk about it all.
I feel like I'm gonna look good.
Doesn't matter what
So was that a yes? Yes!
my boy's so pretty, so I could talk about it all night. My boy's so nice to me. Doesn't matter what I do with my time. My boy's so pretty, could go on and on about it all night. My boy's so good to me. Think I might just let him ruin my life.
I'm extremely late, so I have to start heading out now. It took more time than I imagined for the hair, so we have to head out now. I'm very late for the event. So this is my outfit. I went with this slippers, my bag, my dress, then I just decided to put a top over it and just tuck it in just for styling. Then I went with this necklace for just accessories, my bracelet and my earrings. I went with these pearl earrings just to match this. So I did try it. I'm trying to be more styling than just wearing jeans and a top, so this is what I went with. I think I did good. So let me book my ride now so we can start heading out. I'm very late. Yeah. Good afternoon.
Hello, Flavari.
Yes.
Troubling. They don't love me anyway. They don't love me anyway. Troubling. They don't love me anyway. Don't get my feelings hurt. I know the ceiling's gone. Don't get my feelings hurt. This time I'm not the one. Don't get my feelings hurt. Don't say I'm not the one. Don't get my feelings hurt. find out today. Hey, I'ma find out today. Away, I'ma find out today. Oh, hey, I'ma find out today. Away.
Okay, hi guys. It's the next day. I am sure you're wondering what the hell happened, but I couldn't vlog my shopping at the event because it was a lot and I didn't have anywhere to put my phone and I don't want my phone to get stolen. So I decided to come back with a haul. Let me get my outfits. We shopped a lot, so let me show you everything I got because I'm so excited about things I bought. So the first thing is I got these pants for just like casual wear. I'm going to wear it with a tank top. This is how the pants look like, and I got a matching bag. She's so cute, and I have this. Wait, and I have this clip thing. See how cute? This is so cute. I cannot wait to style this. Yeah, so I got these two things to go together. With pair with like a white tank top. So this is the first one. So for the second one, I got a dress. This is the dress. It's like a single strap maxi dress. I wish I could try on these things for you, but honestly I'm tired and I just wanted to show you guys what I got. And I got it with this bag. Can you see? Also, where is my clip thing? You can also style it with this clip too. So, can you see? Maybe I'll make a separate video styling them, but this is why I got the bag for this dress. Then moving on to the next thing, I got jeans. I'm always trying, like it's such a hard thing to find the perfect jean. So for this one, it actually works well. Like it's my perfect size, and so far I think I might have found the perfect jean. So would wear it more to see if it's actually for me because my weight fluctuates a lot. So it's very hard to find the perfect jean for myself. The sun is setting, so the lights might be a little wishy-washy, but yeah. So I got jean. Then the last thing, I got a tennis skirt because I want to start playing tennis. I want to try more exercise, like to make exercise fun. So I got a tennis skirt. The only thing I don't like is that it doesn't have like a short inside, so I'll have to find a separate short that wouldn't show out when I wear this skirt because I don't want to be flashing everybody when I'm playing tennis. So I really love this purchase. Also I got gym wear, but I wasn't able to get it yesterday, so I would get that on Monday. So that's everything I got yesterday. The event was so good, it was so nice. I'm so happy I'm actually going for events by myself. I don't have to look for someone to go with me. It's such a good thing that I can like go for events. But so far this is what I got and I'm really happy with all my purchase. Maybe I would try it for you guys. I don't have the time. I'm actually supposed to leave the house now and I will be back later at night. So I know that let me just do this here. But yeah, the event was so beautiful. It rained, but it wasn't bad. Like it just rained for like 5 minutes, then it stopped. So yeah, that's my haul for you guys. And I think I might be closing this vlog off here. I've never done an outro before. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you guys in my next vlog. I'm so happy. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, that's all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
My boy's so pretty, so I could talk about it all night. My boy's so nice to me, doesn't matter.